There is only one highway from Butuan to Iligan to Cagayan de Oro to Butuan. That is the BCIR road, Butuan, Cagayan, Iligan Road. Isa lang yan. Grabe na ang traffic dyan ngayon, Secretary. That is why for the past 5 years, we have been able to secure funding, Mr. Secretary, for our bypass roads, our coastal bypass road, our eastern interior road, our other roads, so that we will not hinder the flow of goods and people in the city of Cagayan de Oro. However, Mr. Secretary, you slashed, Mr. Secretary, your team slashed these bypass roads which are important to be able to have our city survive and breathe and be able to have the flowing of goods. You have removed, Mr. Secretary, the following. Bypass road, package 11 and package 12, 150 each. Nawala na. Now, how can we finish the coastal bypass road? You also remove, I don't know who removed them. But for the past 5 years, we always have budget for this. This is tier 1. We always have budget, and yet you have removed this. And that is why I have to fight for this, because these are our alternate bypass road. You took this out, the bypass road. You took out the eastern interior road, the one on the hills. Then you took out the diversion road, the one in the mountains. And you took out no budget for our bridges, 2 bridges. This is to the Congest Cagayan de Oro, the bridges from Makasandig to Makanhan to the 1st District, and from Makabalan, nothing is left. That is the situation, Mr. Secretary. How can I not bring this out when our city is being stifled? It is not breathing anymore because of traffic. We know the responsibility, Secretary. This is only about 900 million. That is why of the Region 10, the district of Congressman Rodriguez is the biggest reduction. Not because of flood control, but because of these bypass roads. Now, how can we be able to explain this to people of Cagayan de Oro? That because of this flood control, we remove the bypass roads of the city. Yan, that is my problem. When I go back to them, what will happen? This will be dead ends. The 5 years of work in these bypass roads will end this year. And when will it be renewed? So I am appealing to the Secretary. Can you restore this? This is already funded for 5 years. 0 for 2026. How can we have that?
Mr. Chairman, I am double-checking po ngayon with our planning office. Mukha po ang nangyari dito na sama po siya dun sa paglilinis dahil I think it was looked at as multiple packages, but we will.
Of course, it will be multiple package 11, 12. It's a very long coast. It is about 26 kilometers coast. We have finished only, the first phase is finished, Secretary Babe Singson. It took us 9 years, but it was finished. Because every year mayroon. Dito, wala.